Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another recipe that I grew up eating, okay? It is called Ginisang Munggo. Some people call it Balatong as well. And let's begin. It's really easy, so there's really not a whole lot of talking involved in this video, okay? So first things first, I am just boiling the munggo. Munggo is mung beans in English, okay? That's what you use to make mung bean noodles. If you watched my sotanghon recipe, you saw the little white noodles that I used for that video, and that byproduct is from the mung beans. It's these guys here. So in this pot, it's just boiling right now with some water. You want a generous amount of water because we're gonna boil this for quite a bit, okay? I'm thinking about 40 to 60 minutes depending on how old your munggo is, okay, or your mung beans. Other than that, I got some chicharon that miserably failed. It didn't turn out crispy, okay, so I'm gonna pop this into this dish. I grew up eating munggo with alugbati or Malabar spinach, which is this guy here. I'm actually growing one right now, so the unique characteristic of it is it's got a red stem, and the leaves look like spinach leaves, but they're much thicker. I'm not using this right now, unfortunately, because it's still tiny. It's still growing, but hopefully soon. I also just have some dry shrimp. You really don't need to do anything with this. You can just pop it in straight up, and yeah, our munggo is just boiling, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so in a separate wok, I'm just gonna start with the dried shrimp. We just wanted to infuse, quickly followed by the onions and the garlic. My garlic, I didn't even bother doing anything to it because it's gonna go in the stew and it's gonna soften later on, and when that happens, I'm just gonna mash it. Just a little bit of salt to help speed up the softening of the onions per usual. And then goes the chicken. Some black pepper. So just let this develop a little bit of flavor, okay? And the next step is coming up. We'll be right back. Alright. So the mung beans have been boiling for about 20 minutes now. So what I'm gonna do now is just add our chicken and onion and shrimp mixture into the pot and just let it all mingle until basically the mung beans are soft. And that's gonna take anywhere between 40 to 60 minutes, okay? Just cover that and just get that going. And I mean, other than that, yeah, just a little bit of fish sauce. I'll start with about a tablespoon, and yeah, we'll be back. Alright guys, so it's been 40 minutes, okay, and I'm just checking the munggo. So all the mung beans are nice and soft now. If you press your spoon to the side of the pot, you can actually break them, okay? But yeah, let's just adjust the seasoning now. Definitely needs more pepper. Add a whole lot more fish sauce because it's missing it, and then just give that a taste again. Oh, perfect. So at this point, you don't want it to be too salty in your face, okay? Because we're gonna add the chicharon later. Just make sure the bottom is nice and clear of anything sticking to it. So at this point, I'm just gonna turn off the heat. Add in your spinach off heat. Make sure it's off heat because the spinach does not need a whole lot of heat to cook. You're basically just blanching the spinach here. And then just add in your chicharon now. And you're just gonna leave this until you're ready to serve. Alright guys, thank you for watching again. All the recipes will be also posted on Instagram a week after it releases on YouTube, okay? If you have any concerns or comments about the video today, let me know in the comments down below. I'm also on, like I said, on Instagram, I'm on Facebook and Twitter. So yeah, thanks everybody, happy cooking and happy Pride. Bye!